Branches and kindling and sticks. Throw a few twigs and leaves into the mix. That's looking better. I just need a few branches more. Now all I need is a spark to start up the fire and light up the dark, to rustle and crackle and bristle and cackle and roar. I'll make myself a home, shelter from the storm, tell myself a story and light a fire to keep myself warm. I'll make myself a bed, safe under the cover. Won't be long until I have to move on to another. Hurrying, scurrying from house to house comes with the territory when you're a mouse. You come and you go and you know it's all over so fast. Don't get too comfy, keep moving on. One day you're here, the next day you're gone. Live for every moment, try to make it last. When you're warm and you're comfy and you don't feel the chill, and you don't feel scared or hungry, and you feel safe until it's time to move on. I'll make myself a home, watch the fire smolder. One day when I'm older, don't know how, I'll find somewhere in this wood that I can stay for good, through the rain and through the snow. Is it out there? I don't know, but I'll make myself a home for